Okay, so this is for question 13. And what we got going on here is a DC motor and a couple different things it's attached to. So we got two buttons. This is going to be our start button. This will be our stop button. This potentiometer is what we're going to use to control the speed and direction of the motor. Now on the LCD, we have our imaginary conveyor belt status. Right now we're stopped. We also have our current speed, which right now is nothing because we're stopped. The 3 zeros here, those were just, I was trying to do some debugging and figuring this out as I was working on it. And I had another line of just information for me as I was working there. But for some reason, when I go to remove those lines that are displaying that, the whole thing breaks. It's literally just an LCD set cursor and an LCD print. This is just two lines, but for some reason when I remove them, the whole thing just dies. So we're gonna ignore them. But yeah, I'll ask you about that in class because it's a little funny. But yeah, so that's what those zeros are. Just pretend they're not there. But yeah, all right, let's get it going. So this is our start button. We're gonna start her up. You can see speed 0. That's full reverse. If I moving the potentiometer, this is a little interesting to do one-handed, but you can see as we approach 90, we will, again, working one-handed here, so bear with me. As we approach 90, we'll stop, and then as we exceed 90, getting closer to 180, so like 179, that's our maximum forward direction. All right, so again, just adjusting this down and come back to 90, we stop. We can go back down to 0, and we're full reverse. So there's that. Now the stop button, which would be this one, I believe. Nope, that's the start button. This is the stop button. There we go. So you see when you hit that, we go full stop on everything. So it doesn't matter how fast we're going. If we hit this, we stop. That is question 13.